Residents of south central Kansas recovering after powerful thunderstorms with strong winds hit overnight. That was starting yesterday in the evening. KSN's Zena Taher takes a look at some of the damages. Zena?
Craig, winds last night and early this morning knocked over trees and pushed down power lines, damaging properties and causing power outages. I spoke with the mayor of the city of Sedgwick, one of the areas hit hardest. Here in Wichita, though, one homeowner is still reeling after winds knocked a tree onto her property. This is all that's left.
Brought my grandchildren home.
Of Christella Graves' old Reliable.
I said, boy, that car is going to weather 30, 40 years, but it didn't weather the tree.
Graves' home in Riverside hit hard by heavy winds over the weekend. They knocked down a tree right into her garage, and the cars parked outside it.
All the lines were down, and there was water everywhere, you know, of course, and the trees were just everywhere.
The power out for many homes in the neighborhood. Meantime, in Sedgwick, volunteers helping clean up tree damage at a local cemetery.
Mainly tree damage, limbs. We've had one large tree uprooted.
The storm hitting just a few days after another.
This last couple of storms going through has caused more damage than we've had in the last 10 years in wind damage for trees.
Small town camaraderie, Mayor Brian Chapman says, is inspiring neighbors to help with cleanup.
A lot of people come out just to help because they're like family.
That same brand of neighborly support can be found in Riverside, too. Neighbors checking in on Graves and even bringing her breakfast.
All our neighbors are really amazing here, and we always take care of each other.